Hello! Now I'm in one of the apartments to make a test of how is working the stovetop and alarm system. I've had several occasions where the alarm system went on and started working. And the alarm system is here. Let me see, it's over here. And the kitchen is here. And I have bought oil. I took it from home. Oil and 3 potatoes. Let's see how it works out. I have a pan also. I'll switch it on and we are going to record it to see if the alarm goes on or what's going, how it works. For the experiment, I will also switch on to a maximum the ventilation, because this brings out the, as you can see, it's a maximum and you can hear it. And we'll also switch on the filtration system. So for now you can see that there is no problem with the alarm, nothing is going on. I've been cooking for like 4 or 5 minutes. There is a little bit of you can see it's cooking just fine. The alarm is not going on, so here is the alarm, there is no sound, and I don't see any problem. Also, one other thing, that the ventilation is that good that you cannot feel that kind of strong smell in the sleeping area. You can see here are the beds. And also here's a small table with a chair. So I don't see any problem, just need to follow the instructions. Switch on the filtration system here and the ventilation here to the maximum. It's even written max. So as you can see, I finished cooking the fried potatoes. I switched off the stove top. The pan is empty. Here are the potatoes. I'll just try them. And alarm is not going on. So there is no problem with the fire alarm. You just need to follow the instructions. Okay, thank you, and until the next video. Bye.